It is not in a pharmacy. It does not have a brand name. It does not come in a capsule, a subscription box, or a bottle with a celebrity endorsement. It has no marketing budget, no influencer campaign, no before and after photograph. It is sitting in your kitchen right now, and it has been sitting there, ignored, underestimated, reduced to a Christmas spice or a flavoring agent, while the research being published in peer-reviewed medical journals has been quietly confirming something that physicians across Asia, the Middle East, and Europe understood empirically for over 2,000 years. 2 cloves every day. After 50, what happens inside the body of a person who does this consistently is one of the most compelling stories in nutritional medicine. And by the end of this video, you will never look at your spice cabinet the same way again. My name is Dr. Miles. 13 years in emergency medicine taught me one thing above everything else. Your body has been trying to warn you. Most people just don't know how to listen. And most people over 50 are fighting 5 specific biological battles simultaneously: inflammation, blood sugar, liver, stress, digestive decline, and bone loss, while spending serious money on 5 separate supplements that address each one individually. Nature, it turns out, addressed all 5 in a single plant. 2 flower buds the size of a nail. Available in every supermarket in the world for a few cents a day. Before we go further, subscribe to this channel right now. Hit that bell and turn on every notification. The pharmaceutical industry spends billions ensuring that conversations about food-based medicine stay on the margins. This channel exists to bring those conversations into the center clearly, clinically, without a supplement company funding the message. Subscribe now. Then let us get into this. Here's the first thing I need you to understand about cloves, because this single comparison stopped me completely when I first encountered it in the research. You have heard of blueberries. Everyone has. Celebrated as a superfood. Studied extensively. Recommended by nutritionists worldwide for their antioxidant capacity. Blueberries score approximately 4,700 ORAC units per 100 grams on the scale that measures antioxidant capacity per gram of food. Cloves score 314,000. Not marginally higher, not twice as high, not 10 times as high. 66 times the antioxidant capacity of blueberries in a package you can hold between 2 fingers. 2 whole cloves contain the antioxidant equivalent of a full cup of blueberries in a form you can consume in seconds. That number is not a marketing claim. It is a measured, published, peer-reviewed figure. And it changes the conversation about what belongs in your daily routine after 50. The active compound responsible is eugenol, a molecule that comprises 70 to 90% of the clove's essential oil. And that has been examined in over 1,300 peer-reviewed scientific studies for its effects on inflammation, blood sugar, liver function, microbial infection, cardiovascular health, and neurological protection. 1,300 studies. For a spice sitting in your kitchen the entire time? Benefit number 1, chronic inflammation, the silent fire after 50. I want to tell you about Raymond. 61 years old, retired engineer, came into my emergency department with what he described as generalized joint pain, persistent fatigue, and a heaviness he could not name or locate. His bloods revealed a C-reactive protein level, the primary clinical marker of systemic inflammation, of 14 milligrams per liter. In a healthy adult, it should sit below 1. Raymond was not acutely ill. He was chronically inflamed, and he had no idea. After 50, the body undergoes what researchers now call inflammaging, a chronic, low-grade, persistent activation of the immune system that never fully switches off. It is not the inflammation of a cut finger that resolves in days. It is a smoldering biological fire that damages blood vessels, neurons, joint tissue, and organ cells quietly across decades. It is the underlying driver of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, arthritis, and most cancers of the second half of life. Eugenol in cloves directly suppresses the NF-κB signaling pathway, the master switch of inflammatory gene expression in the human body. In plain English, it turns down the dial on the biological mechanism that keeps chronic inflammation burning. A clinical study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that 8 weeks of daily clove extract supplementation produced a statistically significant reduction in C-reactive protein levels in adults with metabolic syndrome, Not marginal, statistically significant in 8 weeks. Raymond is not a patient I managed with Cloves. He needed clinical intervention for his levels. But when I explained inflammaging to him and what daily food-based anti-inflammatory practice looked like going forward, 2 cloves every morning was the first thing I wrote on his discharge information sheet. Benefit number 2, blood sugar. The number 3/4 of people over 50 are not watching closely enough. Stop for a moment and consider this number. Combined, pre-diabetes and type 2 diabetes affect approximately 3 out of every 4 adults over 65 in the United States. 3 out of 4. And non-diabetic blood sugar elevation readings in the upper normal range that no doctor flags as urgent is independently associated with accelerated cognitive decline, cardiovascular damage, kidney stress, and increased cancer risk. You do not need a diabetes diagnosis for elevated blood sugar to be damaging you. Eugenol has been shown to enhance insulin signaling by improving the function of the glucose transporters, the proteins that move sugar from your bloodstream into muscle and fat cells in response to insulin. When these transporters work more efficiently, blood glucose clears faster after every meal. A randomized controlled trial published in the journal Nutrients found that adults consuming between 1 and 3 grams of clove powder daily for 30 days showed reductions in fasting blood glucose averaging 10 to 21% compared to baseline. The same study found meaningful reductions in total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, pointing to a cardiovascular benefit that extends far beyond blood sugar alone. 2 whole cloves weigh approximately 1 gram. The therapeutic dose studied, already in your kitchen, free of side effects, not pharmacology food. Benefit number 3, liver protection. The organ working hardest after 50 that nobody is supporting. Here's something I got wrong early in my career. For years, I assessed liver health almost exclusively in the context of alcohol. Elevated enzymes meant drinking. That was the assumption I carried out of medical school and into my first years of clinical practice. It took a run of patients, men and women in their 50s and 60s, non-drinkers, health-conscious, doing what they believed were the right things, presenting with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease to correct that assumption permanently. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease now affects an estimated 30 to 40% of adults over 60. Driven by insulin resistance, dietary fat accumulation, and the simple metabolic slowing that comes with age, it is the most common liver condition in the developed world. And most people carrying it have no idea. Eugenol activates NRF2, the master regulator of the body's internal antioxidant defense system. This stimulates the liver to produce its own protective enzymes, glutathione, superoxide, dismutase, catalase, that neutralize the reactive oxygen species accumulating in liver cells during the processing of medications, toxins, and metabolic waste. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that eugenol administration significantly reduced liver enzyme elevations, the clinical markers of liver cell damage in models of chemically induced liver toxicity. If you are over 50 and taking daily medications for blood pressure, cholesterol, pain, or any chronic condition your liver is processing, every one of them, every day, on top of everything else it manages. 2 cloves every morning is not a liver supplement. It is liver support in the most bioavailable, food-based, clinically studied form available outside a pharmacy. Benefit number 4, digestive health. What 50 years of living does to the system nobody talks about. Here is the gift most people never discover and the one that produces the fastest noticeable result of everything in this video. Take 2 whole cloves. Crush them lightly with the back of a spoon. Steep them in water heated to just below boiling, 85 degrees. Not a full boil for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain. Drink it 15 to 20 minutes before your largest meal of the day. Within 1 to 2 weeks of doing this consistently, the majority of adults over 50 report measurable reduction in post-meal bloating, heaviness, and digestive discomfort. Not because cloves are masking the symptom, because eugenol is addressing the mechanism. After 50, gastric acid secretion declines. Digestive enzyme production from the pancreas and intestinal wall diminishes. Gut motility slows. The diversity of your gut microbiome, the community of trillions of microorganisms regulating your immune function, mood, cognitive health, and metabolic efficiency decreases with each passing decade. Cloves address all four of these simultaneously. As a carminative, eugenol relaxes the smooth muscle of the gastrointestinal tract and reduces gas formation. As an antimicrobial, selective antimicrobial, meaning it targets pathogenic bacteria while sparing beneficial species, a property rare among both natural compounds and pharmaceutical antibiotics. It protects the gut environment from the bacterial overgrowth that worsens with age. And research confirms that cloves directly stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes from pancreatic and intestinal cells, addressing the enzyme insufficiency that impairs nutrient absorption in so many adults over 50. Better digestion, better nutrient absorption, better gut environment, 15 minutes of preparation the night before. That is the exchange. Benefit number 5, bone and joint protection, the structural investment that cannot wait. 2 whole cloves provide approximately 30% of your recommended daily intake of manganese, making them one of the most concentrated dietary sources of this mineral available in ordinary food. Manganese is essential for the synthesis of the connective tissue matrix that gives bone its structural integrity. But eugenol goes further. A study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that eugenol simultaneously stimulated osteoblast activity, the bone-building cells that lay down new bone matrix while suppressing osteoclast activity, the bone-resorbing process that drives the progressive bone loss of osteoporosis. This dual mechanism of stimulating formation while suppressing breakdown is precisely the target of the bisphosphonate drugs prescribed pharmaceutically for osteoporosis, achieved here through food-based consumption at a cost of cents per day. For joints, the anti-inflammatory properties of eugenol directly address osteoarthritis, the most prevalent joint condition in adults over 50, by suppressing the inflammatory cascade that activates the enzymes responsible for cartilage breakdown, lower inflammation in joint tissue, slower cartilage degradation, less pain, more movement, more life. Send this video right now to someone in your life over 50 who has been told their bone density is declining, whose joints have started announcing themselves on cold mornings, who has been handed a prescription and sent home without being told that the food in their kitchen was studied for this exact purpose 2,000 years before the prescription was written. Before you start who should be careful, I am a clinician, which means I do not finish a conversation like this without telling you who needs to be cautious. If you are taking blood-thinning medications, warfarin, clopidogrel, aspirin therapy, be aware that eugenol has mild anticoagulant properties that may amplify their effect. Inform your physician before beginning daily clove consumption so your coagulation markers can be monitored appropriately. If you have surgery scheduled, stop clove consumption at least 2 weeks prior. The anticoagulant effect increases bleeding risk during surgical procedures. If you have pre-existing liver disease, consult your physician first. At 2 cloves daily, the hepatoprotective research is reassuring, but physician guidance is appropriate for those with established liver conditions. For healthy adults over 50, without these contraindications, 2 cloves daily is food. It is safe, it is evidence-supported, and it has been part of daily practice in some of the world's longest-lived populations for longer than modern medicine has existed. How to take them ranked by what actually works. Method number 1. Chew 2 whole cloves slowly for 1 to 2 minutes first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, most bioavailable. Eugenol absorbs directly through the oral mucosa into the bloodstream before breakfast introduces glycemic and inflammatory load. Method number 2. Soak 2 whole cloves overnight in 1 cup of room temperature water for a minimum of 8 hours. Drink the water on an empty stomach in the morning, gentler in intensity. Excellent bioavailability. Add ginger, half a cinnamon stick, or a squeeze of lemon to compound the anti-inflammatory benefit. Method number 3. Half a teaspoon of ground clove powder stirred into oatmeal, a smoothie, warm milk, or a finished dish after cooking. Never add to high temperature cooking above 180 degrees Celsius. Heat degrades eugenol and reduces therapeutic potency significantly. Method number 4. Clove tea steeped at 85 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes, taken 15 to 20 minutes before your main meal. Optimal for digestive benefits specifically. Choose the method that fits your life. Be consistent. Give it 30 days. Pay attention to what your body tells you. 2 cloves. Every day. After 50, chronic inflammation suppressed through eugenol's inhibition of the master inflammatory switch your body carries. Blood sugar, moderated through improved glucose transporter function. Liver cells are protected through the activation of your body's own internal antioxidant defense system. Digestion supported through enzyme stimulation, gut muscle relaxation, and selective antimicrobial protection. Bone and joint tissue reinforced through simultaneous stimulation of bone formation and suppression of bone breakdown. 5 biological systems. 5 age-related vulnerabilities. 1 plant. 2 flower buds. A few cents a day. You are not someone who did not know what was sitting in their kitchen. You are now someone who does. And that changes what you reach for tomorrow morning. Subscribe to this channel right now. The supplement industry profits from complexity, from convincing you that your body's needs require expensive, branded, monthly subscription solutions. This channel exists to tell you the truth, that complexity is often manufactured, that the most studied, most clinically relevant tools available to an aging body are frequently the oldest, the simplest, and the cheapest. Hit subscribe. Share this with someone over 50 who deserves this information. And tell me in the comments, which method will you try first? I read every single one. I am Dr. Miles. 13 years in emergency medicine. Your kitchen is more powerful than you know. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.